something, it's a new frontier for people. It's artificial intelligence writing, all right? Basically writing done by robots, okay? So it's really catching on. There are two popular ones that you may have heard about. One is ChatGPT, another is Jasper.ai. Basically what you can do is enter basic information, all right? And it will spit out whatever you ask it to do. So you could type in and say, hey, write me a promo email for our New Year's Eve special. And it will spit it out and give it to you that you can use on emails and social media posts. And it sounds human. I mean, it really does. It's faster than how you could write. It's more accurate and there's more consistency. It's pretty powerful and there's a lot of opportunities to use it. And so start thinking about how you can use this writing